It's taken a while for composite rigging to filter through from extreme Grand Prix machines into the broader racing spectrum, but it's clear now that the switch is gathering pace. Amare ropes have been producing PBO Xylon standing rigging for 20 years, and while they have supplied thousands of custom cables for high-end projects, they're seeing an increasing trend towards retrofitting boats with conventional rod rigging. They say that when comparing the same stretch characteristics of Nitronic 50 rod, their composite stays are just 80% lighter. And where every kilo saved aloft can mean 3 to 4 kilos saved in the keel, reducing the weight of standing rigging can deliver huge gains. Aside from the weight savings, the stays are also easy to handle and roll into coils, making shipping and maintenance far easier. And when it comes to cost, Amare claim that their stays are around 40% of carbon standing rigging. The double-handed round Britain and Ireland race is widely acknowledged as being a tough one. The 2,000-mile course that starts and finishes in Plymouth is guaranteed to deliver a wide range of conditions, while the tactical and navigational demands around this complex coastline are relentless. CEO and founder of Sevenstar Yacht Transport, Richard Clabbers, and his friend Peter Harima knew this before they started. Handling Harima's Swan 56 with just the two of them was a challenge as well. A broken gooseneck could have forced them to retire, but a resourceful approach that required a great deal of ongoing repairs got them through. And while thumping their way around Britain might seem a long way from his day-to-day work shipping boats all over the world, there's little doubt that taking on a challenge like this is a hands-on experience that puts the logistical challenges at work into perspective. Zhik are very proud of their latest range of Event OSF 800 ocean gear. The development program involved 25,000 miles of testing at sea with IMOCA 60 sailor Yoan Rishon reporting back from his offshore trials. Their new 3-layer fabric has a bi-component membrane and was created with Events Fabrics, a leader in military-grade breathable membranes. But the key to the new material is the combination of good breathability and being highly waterproof. In addition, moisture-wicking linings draw sweat away from the skin, which is particularly good in areas where the material touches bare skin, such as around the neck and the cuffs. Keeping dry here reduces the risk of chafe, something that is especially important offshore. Add in abrasion-resistant panels, their Hydrovision hood and a visor, along with a long list of features and details, and it's easy to see how much effort has gone into the development. It has been 40 years since Diverse launched their Load Sense range, and clearly a lot has changed in the racing scene in that time. On the face of it, one rigging pin may look much like another, but it's easy to misunderstand just how much has changed when it comes to load monitoring. Today their range load pins spans from 30 footers to 300 footers, with a load range from under a tonne to 250. Monitoring systems have become more sophisticated too, but one thing that Diverse have stayed set on is hardwiring the load pins rather than going for the wireless data transmission. They believe that a wired load sensor avoids the issues with signal interference that can be caused by carbon construction and carbon sails. Data rates are better too, and they believe that a wired system is more reliable and robust. So while much has changed in 4 decades, some things have remained the same.